Welcome to Real Guides for You guys, and my name is Kane, and please be advised that if you follow along with this video, you are guaranteed to get success. What's up guys, Kane here, and today I'm going to be showing you a very cool tutorial about how to use two separate internet connections on one computer. Very simply, we're going to make one internet connection go to uTorrent and one internet connection go to BitTorrent. We're going to use one program called that has a user interface, which means not like the old version 1.2 forcebind where you had to actually physically click and go into command prompt and type in your commands to get the forcebind to work. So this is how we're going to do it. I'm going to be showing you now. Stay tuned for more. I hope you enjoy. So the program you're going to download that's in the description is going to be called forcebind GUI 1.5, which means it has a user interface. Don't freak out. It's not very complicated. What you're going to do is you're going to double click on this forcebind IP setup. You're going to go yes. You're going to go I agree. And you're going to go finish. Now after that, what you're going to do is, if you have a Windows 64-bit computer, this can be found out by going to computer properties, and there you'll see what I've got a 64-bit operating system, so it'll help if you take bindip.dll and forcebindip.exe. You're going to simply copy that. You're going to go to computer, Windows, and you're going to click on system while. So syswhile 46. You're going to copy that in there. You're going to go paste. Okay. Now after that, this is what we're going to do. Okay guys, as you can see, I've got my whole system set up here. I've got my BitTorrent on my left and my uTorrent on the right, and forcebind IP, which is in the description. Make sure you download that. Is over here. Now from here, what you're going to do is really simple. You're going to make sure you connect it to both your things. So here's my ADSL, and I'm going to connect to my mobile broadband now. Here's the mobile broadband. I'm going to connect to that. So now I have two internet connections running at the same time. So what Windows will do is it'll normally switch off whichever is the better internet connection, but we're going to make sure that we bind that internet to a specific program, to put it simply. Okay, so here we go. You're going to open up your forcebind. You're going to go into the GUI. What you're going to see here, don't be worried about bind name, whatever. That's just if you want to make a preset. What you're just going to want to worry about is enter the IP address you want to use. So we're going to go commands, config all, and as you'll see here, all my connections, all I'm worried about is the wireless and the broadband connection. So there's the wireless and there's the broadband. Here's wireless. So you're going to find your IP address version 4. I advise you do what I do. It says 10.0.0.2. Here's my wireless, 10.0.0.2. This doesn't matter. This is just so I can see. You can write it on a piece of paper, whatever. And I'm going to go to my mobile broadband, and it's 10.189.10.189.82.29. Okay, so there we go. I'm going to close this. Now, what you want to decide is which program you want to use which connection with. This can be used with any program, as I said before. So I'm going to use my wireless for BitTorrent. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to enter the IP address of the wireless, which is 10.0.0. That's actually 0.4. I misread it. So 10.0.0.4. And here's the path, bittorrent.exe. So we're going to click on your thing. You got to make sure that this is selected on the exe itself. So you can see this is where it's stored, C uses desktop. So I'm going to copy that and make sure you add the final bit just to locate the actual exe, bittorrent.exe. Now that'll work. Now I'm going to select force IP, which is going to bind the internet to that specific one. No, cancel. Okay, there we go. So this one is running that internet. And now this uTorrent is going to run a separate internet. Okay, so let's get that done. Now you're going to go, here's my uTorrent, here's my one internet connection. I'm going to do the exact same thing. There we go. Here's my uTorrent properties. Same location. I'm just making sure you guys can see that. HLV, and then uTorrent.exe. Now that we've got that done, we can force that IP. And here we got this thing running here. I'm just going to start something here quick so you can see. It's really that simple. It's pretty much done. And yeah, you can see they're both using different internet connections. You can't see that, but I'm going to show you now on Google Chrome and Google Internet Explorer. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, what's up? I'm back, and I'm just going to show you here quickly fast forward version of how I got these two to run together. I pretty much got the location of Google Chrome and the location of Internet Explorer, started them both up on different internet connections, and over here you're going to see Two different, that's Vodacom and that's Telcom. As you can see, two different ISPs running on the same computer, which means I have two separate interconnections. Remember, you can use this on any program, any place, anytime. Remember to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers.